Well, well, well. We have a rainy day in Stockholm. It is only 3 degrees Celsius, and yeah, it is the same temperature in the water actually here in Brunnsviken. So today I'm on a central beach in Stockholm municipality, and I'm freezing, like you can see from my voice. So I will try to make this as short as possible and just have a quick dip today in this lake Brunnsviken. I am here on a jetty close by to the university campus. There are many university buildings over here where most of the students study in Stockholm. Actually, this is just one part. There are many other campuses around Stockholm, as it is quite a big university city with many students from Sweden and abroad. So yes, it is a bit chilly, and it's time for yet another beach. Well, this is actually not a proper beach as such, but it's a nice place to take a swim in the lake Brunnsviken. This is not a huge lake, but it's actually connected at one point with the Baltic Sea. Very tiny point. Otherwise it's closed area, closed surface of water. So we're gonna go today in here, and yeah, this is beach day number 15 already, and the weather has turned out for the worst in Stockholm, and it's gonna remain like this. So yeah, 3 degrees in the water, 3 degrees in the air. So let's go then in 3, 2, 1. That was cold. That was cold indeed. And cold but yet refreshing. This is actually the spot where I was doing the sprint triathlon 2 years ago. We were basically starting the sprint from here and then going close to Brunnsviken strand, there is a sandy beach over there, and back, and then continuing the cycling here towards the campus. That's on the other side actually, the main part, and then finish it off with running in the park over here that's used by many people that are jogging. So thanks so much for watching this episode from Brunnsviken on this rainy Tuesday, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.